Hey guys, I thought we should go over face paints today real quick. So let's jump right to it. Face paints, as you know, is a toggle that you can use over your makeup. It can be used alone or together, it's all up to you. Face paints also don't abide by the mirrored symmetry. Face paints have their own UV map, which means that you can do something on one side and something else on the other side. You're free to do whatever you like, but it's also limited by around the chin area and around the face, and starts pulling really weirdly depending on how far out in the edges you go. Face paints also have the limitation of only having one color. So let's use this as an example. You are stuck with one color for face paints, and there is no changing this. Keep that in mind. Now, how do we create our own custom face paint? Well, I personally use GIMP. That is my preference because that's what I've been using forever. I have a blank map right here with nothing on it, which I created by just duplicating layer and just erasing everything on it. Then I have a basic black map. Now, face paints have to be, or they don't have to be, but since they only work in one color, it's easier to just do a black map and then white on top of it. That's just how we make face paints. You can do it in red or in green, but it's not gonna change anything. So just do it in black and white, because that is your only option anyway. Now I have this, what should we call it, just temporary file in here as for quick testing. And I like the layout of knowing where the eyes and mouth are located, because you can't really see it here, and I don't have a map for the UV layout. I think the faces are also slightly different depending on like up and down, but doesn't really matter in this case. So we are going to export this map. We are putting it in here. I've already pre-made a folder and everything. We're replacing it. Export. And now I'm jumping into LTC, Loose Texture Compiler. This is my preference. You can use text tools as well. I don't, but it's all up to you. I like LTC because it goes so much faster than anything else. So what we do here is that we just select face paint right here. You can also just name it, whatever you want up here. And then we have the numbers. All the different face paints. I'm going to go with 29 because this is what I'm working on right now. And we're adding the face paint. Now we can rename these slots as well. Don't have to if you don't want to, but you can. So we just do this. Oops. Confirm. Now we need to put our texture in here. Now I use drag and drop. You don't have to use drag and drop if you don't want to. You can just go into the folder. I'm putting it in there, and then we're pressing finished. Now this is going to pack it for me and put it directly into game. Now I have it right here. Easy enough, right? And then we go in here and go to 29. So here we have our face paint. Now you can also, with LTC, edit this on the fly, which makes it really optimal for me at least. I don't know about you guys, but let's just draw a squiggly bit right here, just for funsies. Now if I just press export to the same material that I did before and it's loaded into LTC, it should automatically update in game. Just like such. Instant feedback. Can't get any easier than that, and you can just keep editing as much as you like until you're happy. And then you're done. That should be easy enough, right? You got this. Good luck, guys.